Hey guys, this is Easy to Read. I'm Yashwant and today we have a very special guest today. His name is Ishant and he's my little brother. Ishant, say hi.
Hi guys!
So let's move on to the days of the week. The days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The days of the week are separated into two groups. The first one is weekdays, which is from Monday to Friday, and the other one is weekends, which is Saturday and Sunday. So Ishant, what are the days of the week?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday!
Good job. Weeks. 1 week has 7 days. So Ishant, if 1 week has 7 days, how much days will be in 2 weeks?
2 weeks has 14 days.
What about 3 weeks?
3 weeks has 21 days.
What about 4 weeks?
4 weeks has 28 days.
What about 5 weeks?
5 weeks has 35 days.
So if you look carefully, you would notice a pattern. 1 times 7 equals 7, 2 times 7 equals 14, 3 times 7 equals 21, 4 times 7 equals 28, and 5 times 7 equals 35. So that means if you want to find out how many days are in a week, just times it by 7. For example, if you wanted to know how many days are in 8 weeks, just times 8 by 7, which is 56. So there would be 56 days and 8 weeks. Months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. There are 12 months of the year. Ishant, would you like to repeat it for us?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
Good. Seasons. The months that contain spring are March, April, May. The months that contain summer are June, July, and August. The months that contain winter is December, January, and February. The months that contain fall/autumn is September, October, and November. Ishant, what are the months that contain spring?
March, April, and May.
What happens in spring?
Trees grow leaves and beautiful flowers come out of the ground.
Good. What are the months that contain summer?
June, July, and August.
What do you do in summer?
We go in the beach and we build sandcastles.
Good. What are the months that contain winter?
December, January, and February.
What do you do in winter?
We build snowmans, we drink hot chocolate, and we celebrate Christmas.
What are the months that contain fall and autumn?
September, October, and November.
What do you do in fall/autumn?
We go trick-or-treating and wear costumes and Halloween.
Ishant, what if I told you there was an easy way to counting days and months?
What is it?
So hold your wrist tight like shown in the picture, and count from January to December. Count from the knuckle to the space between, like January, February, March, April, and etc. If the month lands on the knuckle, it is 31 days. If it lands in the space, it is 30 days. But keep in mind that February has 28 or 29 days. So if you remember this, you'll be in good shape. Ishan, how many days are in March?
January, February, March. There's 31 days.
What about in June?
January, February, March, April, May, June. Just 30 days.
Good. Let's move on. Leap year. It takes 1 year for the Earth to rotate around the whole sun. A year has 365 days. A leap year has 366 days. A leap year comes once every 4 years. A year which is divisible by 4 is called a leap year. For example, since 2012 is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. An extra day is added in a leap year, which is February 29th. Ishanth, how much years does it take for the Earth to rotate around the Sun?
1 year.
How much days does a year have?
365 days.
How much days in a leap year?
366 days.
A leap year comes once every
4 years.
A year which is divided by 4 is called a
leap year.
An extra day is added in a leap year, which is
February 29th.
Good. So we're gonna have a little workout with this, which is based on this calendar right here, December 2019. So the month comes right after this month is
January.
On what day of the week does the month begin?
Sunday.
What day of the week is December?
Tuesday.
What day of the week is December 19th?
Thursday.
What date is second of Saturday?
December 14th.
How many Mondays are in this month?
5th.
5. What day of week is December 7th?
Saturday.
If today is December 1st, what is the date of Thursday?
December 5th.
If today is December 11th, what is the date of Monday?
December 16th.
Good. Time. A day has 24 hours. A clock is used to represent time. Time is represented in 24 clock system or 12-hour clock system. The clock has 2 hands. The small hand is hours, the large hand is minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes, 1 minute has 60 seconds. Half an hour has 30 minutes, and quarter of an hour has 15 minutes. Time is written as this: hours before the colon and minutes after the colon. Ishant, how many hours are in a day?
24 hours.
How much hands does a clock have?
2 hands.
How much minutes is in 1 hour?
60 minutes.
How many seconds are in 1 minute?
60 seconds.
How many minutes are in half an hour?
30 minutes.
What about in quarter of an hour?
50 minutes.
Good. There's two systems, the 24 clock system and the 12 clock system. The 24-hour clock uses the numbers 00 to 23:59. Midnight is 00. The 12 clock system runs from 1 a.m. to 12 noon, and then from 1 p.m. to 12 midnight. Good. AM and PM. AM stands for ante-meridium, which means before midday. PM stands for post-meridium, which means after midday. AM is from midnight to midday or noon, and then PM is from midday or noon to midnight. So Ishant, what do you do at 6 o'clock a.m.?
We brush our teeth.
What about at 9 o'clock a.m.?
We go to school.
What about at 6 o'clock p.m.?
We play.
What about at 9 o'clock p.m.?
We sleep.
Good. How to tell time. So there are two forms. The minute form, which is outside, and the minute and the hour form, which is inside. The hour hand, which is the small hand, points out only the hour, not the minute, only the hour. And the minute hand, which is the big hand, points out only the minute form. It does not point out the hour form, only the minute form. So this time would be 12:15. Quarter past, quarter to, half past. So Ishant will explain the past side and I'll explain the to side. Ishant, you could start.
12:05 is 5 past 12. 12:10 is 10 past 12. 12:15 is 15 past 12 or quarter past 12. 12:20 is 20 past 12. 12:25 is 25 past 12. 12:30 is 30 past 12 or half past 12.
Okay, I'm going to explain the to side. And the to side is more confusing than the past side. So 11:35 would be said 25 to 1, since it is 25 away from 1. 12:40 would be 20 to 1. 12:45 would be 15 to 1 or quarter to 1. 12:50 would be 10 to 1. 12:55 would be 55 to 1. Let's move on. Telling time. Hours. What is this? What time is this?
3 o'clock.
What time is this?
6 o'clock.
What time is this?
5 o'clock.
What about this?
12 o'clock.
This?
8 o'clock.
And this?
11 o'clock.
Good. Telling time, 5 minutes. What time is this?
3:10.
What about this?
6:20.
What about this?
5:40.
What about this?
12:25.
This?
8:50.
And this?
11:15.
Good. Telling time, quarter past. What time is this?
3:15.
It is also called quarter past 3. What about this?
6:15.
Which is called quarter past 6. What time is this?
5:15.
It is also called 5:15. What time is this?
12:15.
It is also called 12:15. What time is this?
8:15.
It is also called 8:15. What is this?
11:15.
This is also called 11:15. Telling time half past. What time is this?
3:30.
It is also known as 3:30. What about this?
6:30.
It is also called 6:30. What about this?
5:30.
It is also called 5:30. What about this?
12:30.
It is also called 12:30. What about this?
8:30.
It is called 8:30. What about this?
11:30.
It is also called 11:30. Telling time 1:45. What time is this?
3:45.
It is also called 4:45. What about this?
6:45.
It is also called 7:15. What about this?
5:45.
It is also called 6:15. What about this?
12:45.
It is called 1:45. What about this?
8:45.
Also called 9:15. What about this time?
11:45.
Also called 11:15. I mean 11:45. Telling time minutes. What time is this?
3:23.
What time is this?
6:58.
What time is this?
5:38.
What time is this?
12:58.
What time is this?
8:16.
What time is this?
11:26.
Good.
Comment, like,
And subscribe. Thank you.
for watching. See you next time.
Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.
Bye.